guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a single color spiral shirt. To begin, I'm just going to spiral my shirt up and tie it up with some rubber bands. For this shirt, I've mixed up faded denim, which is a Dharma Trading Company color. I've taken a washable marker and divided my shirt in half, and I'm only going to dye one half of this shirt. I'm applying dye to the front and to the back. Alright, this is what our shirt ended up looking like. Thank you guys for watching.